Today, July 31st, is the last date for filing income tax returns, and so far, over 6 crore returns have been filed for the assessment year 2023-24. Income tax is levied on the annual income of a person. As per the IT law, this period starts on April 1st and ends on March 31st of the next calendar year. Now, the year in which income is earned is called as previous year, and the year in which the income is charged to tax is called as assessment year. Who needs to file the income tax return, and what happens if you miss the deadline? We explain. Anyone whose maximum income in a year exceeds the exemption limit of ₹2,50,000 under the age of 60 years must file ITR. According to the income tax website, the following categories of people must also file an ITR. Number 1. The person is a resident and ordinarily resides in India and who holds any asset, including any financial interest in any entity located outside India, or has signing authority in any account outside India, or is a beneficiary of any asset outside India. Number 2. An individual who has deposited more than ₹1 crore in aggregate in his bank current accounts. Or number 3, individual has incurred expenditure of more than ₹2 lakhs for foreign travel. Or number 4, individual has incurred expenditure of more than ₹1 lakh towards electricity consumption. Or number 5, whose total sales turnover or gross receipt in the business exceeded ₹60 lakh. Or number 6, whose total gross receipt in the profession exceeded ₹10 lakh. Or number 7, total tax deducted and collected at source is ₹25,000 or more, ₹50,000 in case of resident senior citizen. Or number 8, aggregate deposit in one or more savings bank accounts is ₹50 lakh or more. But even if someone does not fall under these categories and earns below the exemption limit, it is recommended that they file ITR for record keeping purposes, although it is not mandatory for them to do so. Now, what happens when someone misses the last date for filing ITR? Even though one shouldn't miss the last day to file their ITR, if someone misses filing their income tax return before the deadline, they can still file a belated return with late fees, but they won't be able to carry forward losses such as those from investments or avoid prosecution notices. Individuals have to pay a penalty of up to ₹5,000 under Section 234F of the Income Tax Act 1961 while filing belated ITR. Now, small taxpayers whose taxable income does not exceed ₹5 lakh in a financial year have to pay a penalty of ₹1,000. What happens when taxpayers don't file their ITR? The taxpayers won't be able to carry forward the losses incurred in the current assessment year if they do not file their ITR at all. Moreover, a penalty equal to 200% of tax payable on the underreported income shall be levied as per Section 270A if taxpayers miss to file their income tax returns. Additionally, they can also face prosecution if they willfully fail to file their return even after getting notices from the IT department.